नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आशा करता हूं कि आप लोग भी सही होंगे। टुडे विल स्टार्ट द कंटिन्यू ऑफ द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स विद a beautiful thought. Luck is not your hand, but decision is in your hand. Luck can never make your decision, but decision can make your luck. So always trust yourself. After delivered a beautiful thought, we'll start the problems of transpose of the matrix. Still you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. The first question is that if A and B are symmetric of you, if A and B are symmetric matrix of same order, then prove that AB plus BA is symmetric. AB plus BA is symmetric. The second one is that AB minus BA is symmetric. Is symmetric. Now solution is that the first one, see, A and B are the symmetric matrix of the same order. If A and B are symmetric, it means the transpose of the matrix is equal to the original matrix and B dash is equal to B. Now we have to prove AB plus BA is also symmetric. So we will find the transpose of the matrix. After properties of the transpose of the matrix, A plus B is equal to, we can write AB dash plus BA dash. Now product property, B dash A dash B is equal to B dash. We can write B dash is equal to B, A dash is equal to A, B. Now AB plus BA. AB plus BA dash is equal to the same matrix. Hence, AB plus BA dash is symmetric. AB plus BA dash is symmetric. Now see second part. AB minus BA is symmetric. AB minus BA is symmetric. AB minus BA is symmetric. So now we will find AB minus BA का dash transpose of the matrix by property of A minus B dash is equal to AB dash minus BA dash B dash A dash minus B dash A dash. B dash we can write B, A, B dash we can write B, A dash we can write A, because A and B are symmetric matrix. Minus, take out the A dash B dash, A, B, AB minus BA, AB minus BA dash is equal to minus A. Hence AB minus BA is q-symmetric. Is q-symmetric matrix. See, the next question is that if A is equal to 2, 5, 3, 1, B is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 5, verify A plus B ka dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. The second one is that AB ka dash is equal to B dash A dash. Now see, the first part is that solution of the first part. First we will find A plus B. A plus B. 2, 5, 3, 1 plus minus 1, 2, 3, 5. Order is the same. We can add 2 minus 1 corresponding element. We will add 3 plus 3, 1 plus 5 equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 3, 6, 5 to 7, 6. Now we will find the A dash plus B dash. A dash, convert row into column. 2, 5, 3, 1 plus minus 1, 2, 3, 5. This is the A dash. A dash 2, 5, 3, 1. 2 minus 1, 3 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 1 plus 5. 1, 7, 3 plus 3, 6, 6. This is a, now this is the A plus B dash. A plus B is that, so therefore A plus B dash. Second part is that A plus B, A into B dash. So first we will find AB. AB, how we will find AB? 2, 5, 3, 1 minus 1, 3, 2, 5 multiply by row y column. 2 into 1 is minus 2, 5 3 is 15. 2 to 4, 5 5 is 25. Minus 3 plus 3. 3 to 6 plus 5 1 is 5. This is the 13. This is 0, 29, 11. This is the AB. Now AB dash. AB dash, convert row into column. 13, 29, 0, 11. Now we'll find B dash A dash. We'll find B dash A dash. We'll find B dash A dash. B dash minus 1, 2, 3, 5. A dash 2, 5, 3, 1. We'll multiply minus 2 plus 15, minus 3 plus 3, 4 plus 25, 6 plus 5. This is the 13, 29, 0, 11. It is verified. Hence, AB dash is equal to B dash A dash. Verified. That